Hey guys, welcome back to another custom ROM review for Redmi Note 8. This time we have LineageOS based on Android 15. This is an official ROM for this device and I have been using this ROM about a week now. There are a few things which I don't really like about LineageOS, but it is actually a really good ROM. So as you can see here, it is based on Android 15. The LineageOS version is 22.2 and the Android security patch level is 1st of July 2025. And the setting panel is pretty much similar to stock ROM or IOSP based Android ROM, so it is pretty much similar. The control panel, as you can see here, you can customize it up to your liking. Nothing much you are getting in terms of customization option actually, and I will show you what we are getting here. And in terms of network connectivity, everything seems to be working perfectly fine, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, VoLTE and VoWiFi. Quick share is also working. In the app section, we are getting few options here, but no app lock or clone apps option. So as you can see, notification is pretty much similar to all other ROMs. Sound and vibration working well, but we are not getting any kind of per-app volume control, and also there isn't much going on. And also we are not getting any kind of Dolby Atmos option. Modes option is available. In the display section, adaptive brightness is working, and we are getting few other options here. Double tap to awake and double tap to sleep available, and they are working. No issue at all. In the wallpaper and style section, change wallpaper. We don't really get any kind of AI wallpaper or emoji workshop with LineageOS. We do get few default wallpapers, as you can see. They are good. And clock size. So we are not getting any kind of customization for clock, as you can see here. Pretty weird though. Usually we do get few options, but on this ROM we are not getting anything like that. More lock screen option. We are not getting any kind of audio option. Storage. By default it will take up to 15 GB of storage. Battery. So the battery is doing pretty well, no drain issue or anything like that, but no fast charging, only kept at 10 watts. So fast charging is still not available. But we do get few options here, like battery information is available, as you can see here, battery light, and also charging control option, automatic schedule, customer schedule, and limit charging. All these things are available. System. So in the system setting, we are getting few customization option for this ROM. First of all, in the button sections, we do get in like invert button and few other things, and also partial screenshot. Status bar, as you can see here, quick pull down option, network traffic monitor, system icon, clock position, battery status style, and battery percentage. So all these things are available here, and these are the few customization you are getting with this ROM. Nothing much. System updates. So system updates is working, and I did try that. As you can see here, I have already updated my device to 22.2, and the file is still available. I can delete it. Updating works just like a stock ROM, so you don't really need to go and flush manually. It will do it automatically. And we are not getting any kind of Xiaomi parts option, so you can't really calibrate the display. In terms of security and privacy, we are not getting any kind of face unlock here, but the fingerprint unlock is working perfectly fine. And as you can see here, no issue at all. And as Android 15 based ROM, we do get private space, as you can see, and few other options here like trust, extended unlock, theft protection, SIM lock, and all these things. Location is working perfectly fine, no issue. Password and passkey and accessibility settings. So these are the few things we are getting with this ROM. In terms of application, as this is a GF's build, we do get few Google application here, but most of them actually I have installed here. So we do get audio effects for music lover, and we are not getting any kind of MIUI camera. The built-in camera is Gcam Go, which is working well, no issue. As you can see here, recording and everything working well. And I did install Gcam here, as you can see. This one is also working. This one is maybe Gcam 9.2. And Google Photos section, we do get Google Photos unlimited storage. As you can see here, the Pixel can backup unlimited photos and videos. Fortunately, The music editor is working here. So edit section, enhance. It is pretty slow though. So it is. As you can see, it is not crashing. That means the magic editor is working perfectly fine here. And it's done. So working well. You can close this. In terms of Google Play product certification, that is not available here. So as you can see here, so bank apps not going to work. As you can see here, device is not certified. And if I try to fix the issue, not working. And there is no way you can load the XML file to fix the issue manually, but you can install Magix to fix the safety net issue. WhatsApp is working perfectly fine. Like phone call, I did try everything here. Working well, no issue at all. In terms of phone call, we do get VoLTE and VoWiFi. As you can see, I did make a phone call here, and video call is also working, but unfortunately no call recording option. Otherwise, it's quite good actually. And in terms of other extra feature, we are not getting much here, like no circle to search. That is not available here. FM radio is working well, although we don't really have safety net, but ChatGPT is working. As you can see here, ChatGPT working perfectly fine, no issue with that. And in terms of gaming also, it is pretty good ROM. I did play Call of Duty here as usual. So gaming performance quite good, no issue at all, no lag or hang, anything like that. And you will get consistent 40 to 45 FPS if you are playing in default setting. So in terms of gaming also, it is a pretty good ROM. And in terms of overall UI, so as you can see here, the UI is pretty smooth. RAM management is also pretty good here. No issue at all. The ROM is perfectly usable. We are not getting any kind of major issues here. Obviously, the minor issues are available, as I said, but it is a daily drivable ROM. So you can try this ROM. And if you want to try this ROM, I will put the ROM link in the description below. Try it. It's a good ROM. So that's all about this ROM. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.